Good morning, it's the 31st of March, just after 7 AM, and I've sent the email out. So this is the video, so same layout. For new viewers, we've got the 10-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, the 2-hour chart, and the daily chart here. So for support, if that holds, then I think we'll get a rise up towards 6230, which would actually be quite a good level to short from, the 6230, 6240 area. There's quite a few resistances up around that area on the daily charts, especially in terms of the RAF and the Bianca channels. So like I said, that'll be a good area to short. However, if we break through this 6185-ish area this morning, first thing, I think a dip down towards the orange 200 EMA line on the 30-minute. 30-minute chart is actually bearish to start the day off, so I've gone for a bit of a punt, if you like, for this rise. It's 50-50, as I said in the email, as to what it's going to do at this level. It's either going to rise or it's going to fall from this 6188. The bulls really haven't made a convincing case of staying above 6,200. They had a chance yesterday to push on once again and failed, really. So it's still resistance, really, that 6,200 level. As you probably gathered from the email, I am actually feeling more bearish than bullish at the moment, and I think a drop down to 6010 is likely soon. Whether that's this month in March, this is the last trading day of the month, of course, and the quarter as well today. So whether we get a drop down today or it manages to hold on. Just to close out the month and the quarter just on a more positive note, and maybe drops down tomorrow. We also have NFP news tomorrow as well. So really it's sort of in make or break land at the moment, just as I'm doing this video. So if this area holds, then 6230 looks like a good shorting spot. Otherwise, I think a drop down to 6155, where we've got S1 and also the 100 period Hull moving average on the 2-hour chart is at 6155 as well. So possibly a bit of support there for a tentative long, really. So those are the levels really that I'm looking at. 6230, 6155. If 6155 breaks, then I think we're probably going to start that downward move towards 6010 over the next few sessions. So just to show you the 2-hour chart, you can see that 6155 level, that is the purple line there. We've also got a green coral on the 2-hour chart, so that's signifying just a bullish uptrend. Support from that is 6143. So maybe we might get a dip and rise today, but we shall see. So tentative long around about this 6155 area. And as I said, shorting around 6230. So the daily chart, if I just make that a bit bigger. So you can see the 10-day RAF channel, which is the red one, has widened a little bit because we actually bounced off the bottom of it on Tuesday. We tested the top of it yesterday at around the 6220 area. We dropped off a little bit since there, but that was a full channel crossing, if you like, yes, in 2 sessions. So the channel's widened, and for today the resistance is at 6244, and then support is down at 6060. So if we do get a rise up, you can see where that 6240 resistance level is also coming from there. So the 10-minute chart, just to have a look at that one to start with, it was bullish when I was writing the email. It's now turned bearish, and we've also got a red coral line, so a downtrend on the 10-minute chart, which started yesterday evening at about 6:15. So that's still trending down. Daily pivot, we breached it a little bit earlier overnight, and we're trying to breach it again at the moment. So as I said, this is the IG PRT pivot at 6188, 6177 is the live charts pivot. So it's really eyes on this 6180 area, see if that holds initially. If not, then just short it really for a run down to 6155. And then if 6155 breaks, just stay short really, because I think we're on our way to 6010. So that was my initial plan. Whether we do get this rise to 62.30, as I said, it's 50-50 really, to be honest. It's either going to make or break at this 6188 area, 6185 really. So we shall see really. That's about it really. So good luck everyone. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please drop me an email. Bye.